জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Mrs. Madhuri definitely threatened Mrs. Suhasini. However, it wasn't on that night.
Okay, I get it now. You're right, Nayan. What should we do now?
We should wait for now, policeman. We don't have any other cards to play right now. But I have a feeling that Mrs. Madhuri will be able to arrange a way to get us entry into their residence. People always try to do anything to save their skin. She'll also do it in order to clear her name from suspicion. I'm sure of it. I'm very sure.
All right. Then I won't have to do anything for now. I'll leave then.
No, policeman. Why do you think there's nothing for you? There is. Will you be able to do it?
Obviously, Nayan. Tell me what it is that I have to do.
Time and again, I had visions of snails and oysters. Time and again.
But Nayan, they are usually found in ponds. By any chance, have you seen any pond in the vision?
What else? What else could it be? I saw them. I saw them numerous times in the ponds while living in the village, Tripto. Okay, policeman. Policeman, are there any ponds nearby that house?
I don't know about it. I haven't seen any on my way there. I'll have to ask around.
Find it out. Search for it, policeman. If there are any ponds in the vicinity of that house, the bottom of those ponds should be searched thoroughly, I'm telling you. Can you do this, policeman?
I have to do it at all costs. However, I won't get permission to search them for the investigation. The superiors have already asked to close the investigation due to Anirudh's complaint. Defying that will not only lead to my dismissal, but the ones helping me will also lose their jobs.
No. Won't you be able to find any other way out?
I'm trying. I will have to do something. Nayan, I'll be leaving now.
Nayan, you haven't eaten anything for a while. Please come and have some food. Please come.
Yes. Tripto, please hear me out. I can't solve the puzzle of those fragmented visions. There was water everywhere in the prayer hall. It was also there on and around the wheelchair, along with snails and oysters. There was water in the glass too. Even here. There's water over here too.
Nayan, come back to reality. The water in my hand is real. Come on, have it. The doctor advised you to drink 3 liters of water a day. Come on, have it.
By the way, listen closely. There might be a link between water and diamonds. Can you tell me what it is?
Nayan, I don't have any idea about it. You need to rest up for now, okay? Please. Come on, it's time for you to rest. Please.
No. I won't sleep in the middle of the evening. It will make me feel sick. Rather, I'll hit the bed early tonight. Okay? Will you please give me a vivid description of the subject of income tax rates? I need to know who the officials are and the purpose of their visit. You already explained it to me previously, but please tell me in detail about it again. Won't you do it, Tripto?
It seems you won't leave me alone otherwise. All right, I'll explain it to you. You first take some rest. Come on. I'll tell you in detail about it later. Come on. Come on.
Hey, Madhuri.
What is it?
It appears that you told Kohli that you'll be attending program at the club. But there are not any programs today. Then where were you?
Wherever I may have been. Why? Why should I be accountable to you? Do I have to report my whereabouts?
Oh my. Why are you being so rude? I didn't ask you to seek any explanation.
Madhuri, why do you start reacting to every little thing? Different opinions are natural among family members. But you start bickering over every small...
As if I'm the only one responsible.
What are you getting at?
You are well aware of what I mean. Stop acting like someone noble.
What is this? Why are you being so rude to my mom?
I don't regret it. I will do it again if she comments on me.
Jinya, did you see it? What did I do to her for her to treat me in such a way?
Nilima, you shouldn't even speak with Madhuri next time.
None of you bother speaking to me again. Did I urge you to?
Hey, what's wrong with you? Why are you behaving this way? Even in the morning, you insulted Trinaini and Dripto. Then suddenly you let them escape. I have a bad feeling about this.
What do you mean by that? What's wrong with it? However, you come prepared to point fingers at me. Let me tell you something, Nilima. I'm not answerable to any of you regarding my actions or my whereabouts. I will only answer to the one I'm accountable to.
I'm warning you, Madhuri. Don't try to act too smart before me. Don't forget I'm the eldest daughter-in-law. I have the authority in mother's absence. So I do have the right to demand an explanation from you.
No, you don't. The only one with the authority to demand an explanation is Anirudh. I'll answer to him.
The explanation for what, Madhuri? Answer me, what are you people up to? You have created such a ruckus late in the evening that it can be heard from outside.
We can't even talk if asking a question is associated with causing a commotion.
Be quiet. You don't even have the right to say that. A lot of things have been happening in my absence that I don't get to hear about. People have been visiting us, of which I'm not informed. Madhuri, what explanation were you speaking of?
Anirudh, I have something urgent to discuss with you.
What is it?
Just wait, I'll tell you everything.
The rest of you may leave the room. Can't you see that Madhuri is hesitant to speak in front of you?
What is it that can't be revealed publicly? Although your siding with her has brought upon this day.
What's wrong with that? It's up to me to decide who I'll take sides with. I personally chose Madhuri and got her married to Aniket. We have benefited a lot due to her father's help. We weren't married back then. And Anirudh Lahiri never forgets a favor. Each step of mine is a calculated one. Now the rest of you leave.
Anirudh,
What's the matter, Madhuri?
I will tell you, but not here. Let's go to your room. Anyone can overhear us.
What's the matter? Listen, don't ask too many questions. Okay, let's go to my room. Aniket, come along.
Genia, hear me out. Hey, why are you standing here? Go to your room.
Why are you scolding me? What did I do?
Oli,
Nilima, why did you scold her for no reason?
I needed to send her back to her room. Didn't you see Madhuri is going to Anirudh's room to have a discussion? I need to know what's going on in her mind. Come on, come with me.
Nayan, are you feeling all right? Please tell me, is there anything wrong?
I got it. Tell me one thing. When the raid happened, when the income tax officials visited them, they didn't find anything out of that place, right?
I think so. They are quite renowned businessmen. This would definitely be in the news. I guess nothing was found.
A single puzzle isn't yet clear to me. Why did Aunt Suhasini disappear right on the day of the raid? Who could have abducted her from home and yet the family members were in the dark? Who could have broken in? What if no one actually entered the house? Could a family member be responsible for it? But why? Who could have done it? Yes. There's someone who may know everything entirely.
Who's that?
That nurse who used to stay with Aunt Suhasini.
But Nayan, how would she know all of it?
Listen, the nurse used to be with Aunt Suhasini all the time. So she's quite aware of what each member of the family is really like. I need her, Tripto. She can guide me in the right direction regarding the family members' actions. The member of the family are a bit suspicious, but she's an outsider. She might be aware of the real nature of each person in the household. And I need to know that in order to solve this mystery. Otherwise it wouldn't be possible.
Go ahead.
Anirudh, can you please keep a word of mine?
What is it?
Will you please allow Trinani Basu to carry on the investigation in this house? And wasn't there a police officer accompanying her? I forgot his name. Oh, Mr. Karmakar. Please withdraw the complaint file against him.
What are you saying? Are you out of your mind? Madhuri, tell me what's with you. Why are you suddenly supporting those swindlers?
Nilima, I can't hear a thing she's saying.
Please agree to it, Anirudh. Otherwise, it might turn out to be dangerous.
Dangerous? What kind of danger? And why do you sound so anxious?
Nilima, what are they?
I think someone is right behind the door. I hear a sound.
What's this? Why are you here? What's the matter with you? Are you both eavesdropping?
No, we were not eavesdropping. We just came to ask whether you have something to eat or no.
No, we don't need such a favor. We won't have anything. Go. Leave right now. Madhuri, please continue.
Anirudh, I'm suspected of being a murderer.
What? What?
Yes, they suspect me of being mother's murderer. In order to get my hands on mother's ornaments.
Who is it? Answer me. Who suspects you of being mom's murderer?
I can't reveal the truth about Trinani's vision. What should I say now?
It's Nilima. She must be the one to say it to them. I'll make her pay for this.
I beg you, please don't be angry anymore. Believe me, the police are suspicious of me. If Trinani isn't allowed entry in such a situation, it will only make the police more wary of me. Please save me, Anirudh. Please get me out of this mess. I am aware that I'm making an unfair demand of you. But I don't have any other way out of it. Please don't refuse me.
If members of the household start suspecting each other, then an outsider will obviously take advantage of the situation. How shameful it is. Madhuri, I'm granting them permission. I won't let you get punished without committing any crime. Yes, but remember, if they start putting on an act regarding having visions of the past or future, I won't go easy on them.
No. Don't worry about it. Just give them permission to come here. Anirudh, should I tell them to come?
Okay.
Nayan, Nayan, are you feeling all right? Please tell me, is there anything wrong? Tell me immediately if you feel sick, okay? Expecting mothers have to be very careful at such times. Furthermore, I gave my word to your mom. I mean, I defied her and agreed to let you get involved. In case of a
Don't
mishap,
fret about it so much. Nothing will happen to me. I'll be all right. Trust me.
And you don't get it. You just stay carefree all the time. And I can't decline your wishes. I mean, you... Who's calling me now? Hello?
Hello, it's Madhuri speaking. Can I speak to Trineni?
Hold on. Nayan. It's Madhuri. She needs to talk to you.
Oh, yes. Hello? Yes?
Yes, I was saying I have already discussed it with Anirudh and got permission for you to visit us tomorrow.
Are you sure of that? We won't be insulted after going there, right?
No. There won't be any such problems. I have already explained everything to Anirudh and Aniket.
All right, we'll visit you tomorrow. I'm hanging up now, okay? I knew it. I was sure that she would agree to it for her own volition. I just knew it. I was sure. Who's it this time?
Mr. Tarun,
Give me the phone.
it seems my wife has become quite busy. That's good, actually. Let me
Give
receive the
it.
call first.
Hello, policeman. What's it?
I've got a lead, Nayan. There's a pond nearby.
What? You've already found it?
Yes. It's very close to their house.
How far is it from their house, policeman?
No, it's close by, but I want to tell...
Please listen to me. Is it possible to go over there, policeman? Can the bottom of it be searched thoroughly?
See, searching the pond won't be fruitful, I tell you.
What? Why will it be in vain? Why?
It was renovated only 2 years ago. Nothing of value has been found.
Wasn't anything found?
No, nothing suspicious has been found. Since the corporation workers carried out the renovation, we would have a record of anything significant came. Now it's filled to the brim with crystal clear water.
Alas, what more could we do for now, policeman? Let's hang up for now, okay?
All right. Okay.
Nayan, what's wrong?
It resulted in a dead end. The pond was renovated 2 years ago, but nothing important came up.
Then?
What can we do now? I'm having the same visions repeatedly. Could it be a different pond that I saw then? I don't understand the meaning of all this. Lord Vishalakshi is showing me visions of fragmented images, but I can't solve the puzzle, Dripto.
Nayan, you please calm down. Why are you so engrossed in it? No, don't think about it anymore. Nayan, you're trying your
But
best,
those
right?
efforts aren't bearing any fruit. I don't see a speck of light at the end of the tunnel. I will be agitated until I get a clue to solve the mystery. It's not possible for me to be calm right now.
Nayan, you have to calm down. You need some rest, please. Let's think about it after reaching the Lahiri residence tomorrow. You need to sleep now. Please. You need to rest. Please don't stress yourself. Please, Nayan. I'll freshen up and come, okay? You lie down.
Oh Lord Vishalakshi, I'm lost in a maze. Please show me the right way. Please help me. Shower me with your grace. Please shower me with your grace.
Nayan! Nayan, what happened? Why are you so distraught?
Blood! There's blood everywhere! Dripto, there is blood everywhere!
Nayan, where's the blood? What are you saying? What's wrong with you? Calm down, please.
There's blood!
Blood? Where is the blood? What are you?
Over there! All over that place!
Blood? Where's the blood? Nayan, where is the blood? There's nothing over here. Nayan? Nayan!
Oh, how terrible! How gruesome it is!
Nayan, you first calm down. You calm down, please think properly and tell me why are you scared so much?
I had a vision of Ahan Suhasini lying face down in the water.
Nayan, please calm down. That means someone murdered her. You had a similar vision, right?
Who could have tortured and killed her in such a brutal way? Oh my lord, how horrific sight it is. How terrible it is.